Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a video for you guys on the difference between baking powder and baking soda and how you should use them differently. So first of all, baking soda, yeah, this is an alkali, yes, and it is called sodium carbonate, bicarbonate, and it only makes your cake rise when it is added to an acid. Yes, for example, and chocolate cakes, yes, if you notice in chocolate cakes you have to use baking soda. That's because the cocoa powder is an acidic content. That is what makes your baking soda react and start to rise. In this example today, the acid content is the vinegar I'm adding to it, if you notice. But in the case of baking powder, it is a complete leavening agent, which means it is a bicarbonate of soda, which means the acid and the base has been added together in the case of baking powder. That's why you can use it without using an acidic content. For example, in your vanilla cakes, it has no acidic content and it still rise and be fine. But you can't put baking soda in your vanilla cakes without maybe adding sour cream or something that has an acidic content to it. That way your cake won't rise and it will be dense. So the major difference is that when you're using baking soda, you want to make sure your cake has an acidic content. For example, you can use buttermilk, you can add vinegar, you can add fruit, you can add cocoa powder. Just, natural occurring stuff have acidic content in them, and that's what makes your baking soda works. In the case of the baking powder, it's already a complete leavening agent. You don't need to add anything extra, and it will make whatever it is you're baking it with rise. Yeah, so that's the difference between baking powder and baking soda. So in another video, I made a video for you guys on how to know if it is expired, because sometimes your cakes are dense and not coming out right because your leavening agents are expired. So I'm going to put the link right up here for you guys. Okay, so after the experiment, you notice the baking soda kind of calmed down, but the baking powder was still kind of fluffed up, and this was after 30 minutes. So the baking powder is a complete leavening agent. It works regardless of like what you added together in your cake. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.